Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, your go-to educational platform. Today we're tackling a common annoyance that many of us face, spam calls on our iPhones. I'll guide you through a straightforward solution to put an end to these unwanted interruptions. Now before we dive into the solution, let's quickly define what we're dealing with. Spam calls are those pesky, often misleading phone calls that usually have an agenda to promote or advertise something. They can be a real nuisance, and we're here to put a stop to them. So here's the solution: enabling the Silence Unknown Callers feature on your iPhone. Let me walk you through the steps. Firstly, open up your iPhone settings. Navigate to the Phone section, which you'll find a bit down the list. Once there, scroll down until you see the option labeled Silence Unknown Callers. Now, let's understand what happens when you activate this feature. Essentially, any call from an unknown number, including those pesky scam-likely calls, will be silenced and directed straight to your voicemail. But don't worry, they won't disappear entirely. You can still find them neatly organized in your recent calls list. It's worth noting that this feature won't affect calls from people in your contacts. If it's someone you've saved in your phone, or even from Siri suggestions, meaning you've interacted with them before, your phone will still ring for those important calls. Before we wrap up, take a moment to explore our Foxtecc educational platform. It's packed with valuable content, and it won't cost you a dime. Check out the link in the description for free access to a wealth of knowledge. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to silence those annoying spam calls on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching Foxtecc.